Welcome back, guys, and today we are working on the Diff. So what we got is the clutch type LSD out of an Mk3 Supra, right? We took it apart, cleaned it up, a little rusty, so that's that. It's ready to be worked on, so we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up and put in these shims, which tighten everything up, make it work better, because it's old and it should work better.
And solid pinion spacer.
And that's part 2. So over there we have the Mk3 Supra Diff, and we're gonna change the bearings and replace the, what is it, crush sleeve is what it's called?
Yeah, that's what this thing's for.
Yeah. Originally it's a crush sleeve, but that's the actual spacer, so it doesn't actually, or it's solid, and then there's shims to go on it. So there's less play. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Want me to work the...
Yeah, go down. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. Alright, everybody back.
Is it clean?
It should be.
The foam paper, right?
Yeah, but it...
You're like...
Get what you get. I was thinking about it.
So this should come right out?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, I need to turn the music down.
That's just quiet.
Is it? Alright, so now we've got pinion out. Everything taken apart, kind of wiped down. We have all the bearings, but we don't have all the tools. So we're just gonna leave the pinion bearings in here and just kind of send it. And if it doesn't work, then we'll figure that out. But we don't want to bang on it. I don't have the right tools to get the races out and then get the bearings or the races back in correctly. So
I'm down with that plan.
yeah, I'd almost rather do it twice or like come back with the right tools instead of doing it twice because I messed it up. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go with this solid pinion spacer, and then we're gonna start measuring for clearance. They call it lift. So I guess we start with all the shims on it and then we keep going until we get negative. Yeah. And then we get preload. So
follow instructions and
yeah,
hopefully it works.
Luckily one of us reads instructions, so
yeah.
This, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the shims will go on top. I'll let you open your toys.
All of them?
Yep, that's what it says. Right?
Yeah, right.
What size is that?
It's all beat and all talk. It tells you a story.
How much lift am I supposed to have?
10,000?
That's not 10,000. That's a lot more than 10,000.
It's tight. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, 0. Is that 34?
Mm-hmm. 34 and a half. Like that.
34. Pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, now we have to take this all apart.
What does it say?
Oh, we need to get to 0. We need to get to 0, and then we take off 3 thousandths more.
So the goal is to get down to 0.
Yeah.
Okay. So we take out 30,000 of shim out and see what it looks like then?
Yeah.
And then go from there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's try it. this is 32. So if I take this, should be right, and then because that's the number we were shooting. What?
Yeah.
I thought you were looking for. Feels good.
Oh yeah.
Woo, woo, woo. We know how to do it.
Like it should have like 3 tries to begin with, but hey, at least we got it right. We got it right this time.
This was 4, right? I was only off by 1. Give me some credit. Can you like push the housing down and just something that you can keep constant?
I don't see no play.
Yeah. Well, it's like it's not 0, but when I lift it,
Yeah.
it's not moving because when I was lifting it before, it was moving the housing. All right, so
Cool.
good. I feel like I want you to do this, so if it leaks, it's your fault.
I'll make you fix it at the track. Either your car runs. Like, no, fuck you, I'm driving.
Like, oh man, that's unfortunate.
Yeah. I don't know who told you to go Mk3 Supra. It's just a stupid idea.
Should have just welded it and sent it. That's what you should have done. Mine worked. Or I'll be like, well, my trans leaks, so what's wrong with your diff leaks?
And it lines up, which means we know it's good.
Okay, no play,
No play.
slight resistance. What do you think? You want to read step 10 and tell me if that sounds
No, I'm
right?
ready to stake it.
You hang out with me too much. Well, his runs. The internet says it shouldn't.
Yeah. Sweet.
I think it's cool.
Should we be able to like lift it?
Yeah. Alright, small update. We got the LSD section taken apart and we're just doing some cleaning right now. Let's take a look. This is the left side of the LSD. It's the right side. He was just finishing up. I cleaned all the plates, cleaning everything so that when we take measurements for preload, it's all good. Shims for the... What is this kit called? MAXGRIP?
Yeah.
The Weir MAXGRIP kit. Shims. New spring. I think it goes like that. At least that's how it fits, so that's what I'm doing. And yeah, so we're gonna keep going.
We're supposed to put a 15 in there.
No, yeah, I need to put those.
Start with a thick one, right?
Drop a 11 in there.
And just side?
Just, yeah,
Each
so
one?
just one there. It's like 5. So, because if you have an 11, you have to do a 2 on each side. Well, but you have 2 and 3, so I'm assuming these are both the same.
Yeah. I'm guessing these are the same and those are the same. It's just slide off. I don't know. Cool.
I'm good. I think so. I mean, you can mess with it. You can watch a YouTube on how to use one of these.
Yeah. Shut up, big boy.
85 140, boy. All right, so we're done for today. Let's take a look. Super diff with solid spacer and Weir MAXGRIP.
Yeah, MAXGRIP shim kit with your spring. What else did we do? We didn't get to the bearings because they're a pain in the ass to change. We did replace the seal though. Yeah, new seals on the outside, and that's about it. So everything is lubed up, ready to go when this all goes back in. The actual Cressida cover goes on and not the Supra one, so I didn't mind. I didn't clean it up or anything, so that's that. So that's it for today though. We put the diff back, or we reassembled the diff with all the cool parts, and the next step of this is that we're gonna actually have to get it welded, which is the bracket. Cut that. We actually have to get this sucker welded to the subframe of the Cressida so I can install this thing. So that'll be another job. That's something we can't do. Maybe we can get somebody to come to the house and do it for us, or I might have to take it to a shop, but we'll see. Play some calls and see who's down to give me a hand. So that's it for today. That's how you this is how you do the Weir Pinion spacer and MAXGRIP LSD kit in an Mk3 Supra diff. So see you guys later. Next one. Catch it.
So it does go on the roof.
Does it really?
Yeah, if it goes on the roof, it comes down. If I lube while you're doing that motion, is that a good video?
Whatever it takes for the followers.